What's up guys, Mr. LNC here. Today we'll be installing the WD Black hard drive for PlayStation 5. So you'll want to take your PlayStation, find that PlayStation logo, and make sure that's facing down. We'll flip the console over. Once that's flipped over, we'll push down and slide to the left. This will come off. This is what it looks like inside of the PS5 on the bottom. We're going to unscrew this screw right here and remove that cap. And here's what we got. A nice little space to plug in our WD Black hard drive. So let's pull this out of the box and look at this little guy. This is what it looks like out of the box. Trust me, it's smaller than it looks like on video. This thing is tiny. So now I'm assuming we'll just place it like this, and it's probably got to plug in here. Let me remove that. You don't want no debris in there. And we're just going to go to the side and lift it so it can slide in. Just like that. Perfect. And now we'll go ahead. We're going to put this back on and screw it into place. Once that's screwed back on into position, we're going to take the cover, and this time we're going to slide it to the right and lock it into place. And we're all set. Now we just need to plug this in and fire it up and check if it needs to update anything on screen. All right, the PS5's firing up. Let's give it a second here. And it says, to use your M2 SSD, you'll need to format it. So I'll go over here to Format. Click X, it's formatting that. All right. And hit OK. To change where your games are installed, go to Settings, Storage, Installation Location. Boom. We now have all that extra space and speed on our PlayStation 5. How cool is that, guys? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. That was one easy install. Bye-bye. Another look at that storage. So if we're over in the storage area of the PlayStation 5 settings, we can see the standard storage, 667 gigabytes. If we go down to what we just added, we have 1 terabyte available. Wow. And then I also have a USB extended storage on here, which is 1.84 terabytes. But this one we just installed, this can run PS5 games right off it. So it's kind of a big deal. Thanks for checking this out and have a great day. Bye-bye.